I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about this new jewelry organizer that I just got that I absolutely love. I have been struggling for so long to find a good way to organize my jewelry, and this is absolutely perfect. One thing I really love is the area for the earrings. I've been able to put both my studs and my hoop hanging earrings in this, and I love how they're displayed. It's so easy to see. They're very easy to put on. I also have a lot of necklace sets, so these hooks for my necklaces are great. I think this tray was really designed for rings, which I do have some of my rings in here, but I'm also using it for my bracelets. And of course, more hooks at the bottom for whatever you personally need, depending on your jewelry, what you have. I love how this looks. It has just the style that I was looking for, a little bit of wood featured. I think it's beautiful. It makes my closet look much better. My closet was super boring and now it has some color and style, and I think this has been great. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.